Okay, we're going to try some trickier problems. I have this number, 2,479,163, and I want to find the expression, one of these, that equals the value of the 7 in this number. So remember, if we break down this number and put it in expanded form, it would be 2 million plus 400,000 plus 70,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 3. So that value of that 7 in the 10,000s place is 70,000. 70,000. So which of these expressions right here will give me 70,000? Would it be 700 times 10? So if I did 700 times 10, since we're multiplying, go that way, that's 7,000. So no, it's not that one. Okay, what about 7,000 times 10? Well, let's try that. 7,000. We would add a place value, so that would put it over. We don't have it in our chart, but this would be 10,000's place, so 70,000. Oh, that's what we're looking for, 70,000. So the expression 7,000 times 10 is the same value as 70,000.